I think we found my new favorite. This car is awesome. 1967 Chevelle convertible, meticulous body off frame restoration. It is glossy everywhere you look. Genuine glove soft leather upholstery. Under the hood is a Blueprint 496 big block, 485 horsepower and about 570 pounds of torque. Four-wheel disc brakes, vintage air. This thing's awesome. Upgraded cloth convertible power top. This thing's really cool. Go to volocars.com. You can take your time looking at over 100 pictures top to bottom. You can read the information about this car. That's also where you'll find a price tag along with a monthly finance option on every one of our cars we have for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. That way you're notified when the new ones are posted. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, you see this right here? It's that shiny underneath. So they took the body off the frame, put it on a rotisserie, all pristine metal under the cars, all painted this color, and it's glossy. The entire chassis is gloss black. The frame looks like you can wax it. It's just smooth black gloss. So anyway, obviously every component under there is rebuilt and looks new. The front end, steering and suspension completely rebuilt, upgraded sway bar, lowering springs, tubular control arms. The rear suspension's rebuilt, bushing, shocks, lowering springs. It's got a really nice aluminized exhaust with stainless steel mufflers, nice tailpipes coming out with these nice polished tips. You look up at the motor, it's painted the same color. It's an extra capacity oil pan, high torque starter, chrome flywheel cover, rebuilt turbo 400 automatic, rebuilt drive shaft, rebuilt 10-bolt rear ends, got a posi in it. I just tried that out myself. Chrome cover, all new fuel systems, got a shiny gas tank, fuel line, sending unit, all replaced. Brake systems completely redone, all the brake lines, hoses, and it has drilled and slotted disc at all four wheels. So yeah, check out the bottom of this car. It's amazing. The fit and finish is amazing. It's show quality, absolutely straight. We have receipts. The guy supposedly had $110,000 invested in this car. And there's a stack of invoices from the body shop. Just kept giving them $2,500, $3,500. But anyway, as the SS hood, absolutely straight. I mean, there's not even a questionable ripple anywhere from what I see. It's just laser beam straight as an arrow, rifle barrel straight, whatever you want to call it, absolutely straight. I did not find any problem areas. I did not find any cracking. I did not find any bubbles. It's all gapped really nice. Now the color's gorgeous. It stands out. This car's going to get noticed. It's like a turquoise metallic. The metal flake is laid out evenly everywhere, all one color. And this thing is wet sanded and block sanded and polished like glass. The stripes, the silver metallic stripes, are smooth to the touch. But yeah, this paint job is killer. I did not find a flaw. Maybe there's one somewhere, but I didn't see anything. All the glass is replaced, and it's got a really soft tint, but all new glass. Convertible top is upgraded. It's a power top, and it has gray cloth. It's a nice rich cloth, twice as much money as the vinyl. All the weather strips, window seals, all replaced. All the chrome, the louvers here, emblems, trim, All that's been replaced. It has a bow tie mirror. It has a staggered set of wheels on there. They're polished American Racing torque thrust wheels. 18s in front, 20s in the back, a little extra wide in back. They're all wrapped in performance tires. Got a nice stance. Little bit of pitting on this pillar right here. Just a few little pimples on here. And a few little dents on this piece of trim when they put it on. So aside from that, the car is pretty pristine. Now let's open it up. I got a lot more good stuff to tell you about. I'm going to show you a beautiful trunk compartment. It's as nice as the rest of the car. Look at underneath the trunk lid, how slick it's painted. The jamb the same way, new weather strip. Now this thing is all boxed and upholstered. It's got a stereo system. It's got amplifiers. It's got subwoofers behind here. Carpeted floor. Real clean metal underneath the carpet. This piece here needs to be glued back into place. There we go. Beautiful trunk. I'm really liking this car. Such a great value. It cost them $110,000 a few years ago. In today's time, this is $150,000 to $175,000 build. Those jambs are painted slick. Custom door panels. I don't think they make them in that color. See the armrest, window cranks, all replaced. You see a couple speakers, and one in each door. The whole dash area is done real nice. Custom Dakota digital gauges, analog gauges. There we go. Has excellent oil pressure when I had it running. So the original AM/FM radios here, that is not what's hooked up right now. This is all real nice. You have a touch screen, Bluetooth, hands-free stereo, real nice one. Of course, the carpet's new. Has a tilt column. Everything's color matched. See the wheel, the dash, the metal, it's all one color. The seats. This is like the softest leather I think I've ever felt in my life. I don't know if they got this from baby dolphin butts or what, but this is all soft leather. This handmade, has the the piping that matches the exterior. It's got all new seat belts for front and back. Back seats leather as well, all nice and soft. Side panels, all that's redone. Matching boot, all one color. Again, that's important. Visors, everything looks great. I don't know what my favorite part of the car is. I love every part of the car. Is it the color? Is it the 496 motor? Is it that glove soft leather? It's all of it. Check that out. Gorgeous. So that is a blueprint crate motor. They come with a dyno sheet. This one's a 496 big block, dynoed at I think 485 horsepower and about 570 pounds of torque. Big aluminum intake. There's a Phytech fuel injection underneath the air cleaner. HEI distributor in the back. The plug wires are run neatly. Got some nice coated headers. Look at the hinges while we're here. Check these babies out. I think these are about $900 billet hinges. The hood opens so nice. Whole firewall, fender wells all painted nice. Everything's run neatly. Now the front of the motor has this fancy March system with this beautiful bracket and pulleys, serpentine belt, mini polished compressor, mini one-wire alternator. And keeping it cool is an aluminum radiator, aluminum water pump, dual electric fans. This is actually part of the power steering. It's a modern power steering with stainless braided hoses. This is part of the fuel system in case fuel is sloshing around in the tank. This holds the fuel so you don't get a surge. I think it's called a surge tank. Wiper motor's new. All the wiring's new in the car. This is show quality. Look at under the hood. It's just gorgeous. Is that not the most beautiful sound? This car wants to go. Oh, this leather's so soft. This car is just awesome. What's your favorite part? I think it's the whole thing is my favorite part. Even sounds awesome. You'll hear it run, or you already heard it run. There's a belt squeal. We'll take care of that. But the engine's amazing. Go to volocars.com. Talk to the salesman before this one's gone. They'll help answer your questions. They'll help get it delivered to your door. They'll help you finance it at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep seeing these amazing cars. And then click on the bell icon so you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.